Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about data room management. So guys, let's start. Data room management. Data room management is the process of organizing, securing and sharing confidential documents with third parties in a secure and controlled environment. Benefits of data room management. There are a number of benefits to data room management, including security. Data room management helps to protect your confidential data room unauthorized access. Efficiency. Data room management can help to streamline the deal process by providing user with easy to use tools for searching, viewing and downloading documents. Transparency. Data room management can help to build trust and transparency between parties involved in a transaction. Cost effectiveness. Data room management is generally more cost effective than traditional methods of sharing confidential information such as physical data rooms or email. Responsibilities of data room manager. The responsibilities of a data room manager vary depending on the size of scope of the transaction, but typically include setting up the data room, managing user access, tracking activity, communicating with users, troubleshooting. Best practices for data room management. Here are some best practices for data room management. Organize your documents before you start uploading documents to the data room. Take some time to organize them into logical folders and subfolders. Set permissions. Make sure to set permissions for each user of the data room. Track activity. Monitor the activity in data room to use who is accessing which documents and when. Communicate with the users. Use the data room's communication features to communicate with your users. Back up your data. Make sure to back up your data regularly. Conclusion. Data room management is an essential part of any complex transaction. By following the tips above, you can effectively manage your data room and protect your confidential data from this. So guys, that's it. I hope you all understand, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.